Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of showing around this absolutely fantastic T6 Volkswagen California Ocean. It's just arrived with us. The registration is Bravo Golf 67 X-Ray Kilo Echo. Now it's a really special Ocean. It's the most specification we've ever seen on any Volkswagen Ocean ever. It really is absolutely spec'd up. So I'm going to show you all the bits of specification in it. So first thing I'm going to show you is the fully electronic roof. So this roof is simply raised and lowered by simply pushing a button, which we're operating now. Now the van itself, you can see, is finished in a fantastic two-tone, which is an idiom grey top and a deep black lower gloss. Absolutely stunning combination, just as it is when it left the factory. Very expensive option. So as you can see, that roof now is fully elevated. Really easy. It's gone up very easily there. So starting from the front, we can see here, again, very rare options. We've got the headlight washers with the LED lights, front parking sensors, front fog lights as well. Get a nice look there of that beautiful colour combination. So to the side, we've got alloy wheels. Again, never seen these alloy wheels actually fitted on a van. Again, very expensive options. These are 18-inch Tulula Volkswagen alloy wheels. Absolutely stunning to look at. There's not a mark on them all the way around. You also may have noticed a nice stainless chrome down the side of the van, as this has got the chrome pack. Again, another option selected at great expense. So the van itself is set up into what we refer to as day mode. So as we've just seen, our roof is up, our awning is out, and our table and chairs are set up. So let's take a closer look. This van itself is extremely low mileage. I'll show you the exact mileage later in the video. So everything on this van is just exceptional. So we've got the fold-out chairs that in fact stow away inside the tailgate. And we've got the fold-out table that stows away inside the sliding door. The van features two keys. It's also got his keys for his water tank, etc. And we also have a lovely option here of the remote control onboard heater. So we simply just push this button here, lights up green. That'll start our diesel heater, so we can operate it when we're sat outside, and just turn it off by pushing the off button. So again, another option we're going to see when we come in is we've got the half level with Alcantara. Absolutely fantastic condition. This is the closest as new I think you'll ever find a 2017 Volkswagen camper van. It really is exceptional. These seats are stunning with the Alcantara. Again, another great expense as an option from you. So I'm just going to slip my shoes off to keep this interior so clean. So here we have it from the inside. Again, the roof, fantastic condition. We've got our table set up inside. So just before I jump over to the other side, we can see here we've got our 3-pin 240 volt socket, and also we've got a cigarette style socket there as well. Under counter lighting. Just jump over to the other bench so we can see what it would be like sat here with our fellow passengers, as we've got captain seats. Twin gas hob burner. Onboard water tank with our sink, and we've got the fridge there as well with the basket. Also got a nice little thermometer inside there as well. Another rare option we've got here as well underneath the seats. I've never seen this in person again. This is a removable detachable torch, and we can also use it as a light there as well. So just flick that button on there and it's like a nice additional lighting, or we can remove it itself and use it as a torch. We've got two of those. I'm going to show you another rare option. Inside there, you can see the little lock on the right is our safe. A lovely safe on board. Let's put our valuables away in. I'll show you the controls in the cab later in the video. Just slip my shoes back on a second. let's take a look to the rear. We're just going to get this set up now for sleeping. So to the rear, again, another rare option. We've got the onboard shower, which we can simply operate from the rear here. Just clips in there. It also features a detachable tow bar, which there is a photograph of as well. It's got the electrics there as well. Again, a very rare option. Just again showing you that fantastic two-tone paintwork. Looking down the sides, there's no scratches, nor dents, nor tears, or anything to the roof. All the paintwork is absolutely superb. 240 volt hookup here to the side from our campsite. A lockable area for our onboard water tank. Again, there's those fantastic Tallulah alloys, completely unmarked as I said. There's our nice chrome pack down the sides, the nice stainless running boards as well. This is all factory options. Again there, completely unmarked alloy wheel. So I do believe we're all set up now to show you the sleeping arrangement. So we can see here, we've got some blinds all lowered down, nice comfy airy cozy space to be in. We also got another rare option, comfort mattress. It makes a massive difference when sleeping. Just going to slip my shoes off a second, pull down the top bunk, and then we get another good look there of our roof from the inside. There's not a mark on it. I don't think it's actually been used at the top here, looking at it. I don't know, but it doesn't look like it has. We also have LED lighting out there as well. Let's turn that off. So I'm just going to slip my shoes on again, jump in the cab before it starts raining. Let's close that door there. So I'm just going to close one of these blinds a second. Just take the other one off as well. So in the cab, another rare option. So again, never seen this. We've sold absolutely loads of Californias, and this is the Dyna audio sound system. That was a very expensive upgrade. Makes a lovely sound as well. So as we can see, let's just start the vehicle up a second. You'll just hear a warning like there. That's just to let us know that our roof is open and not to drive off. So there's our onboard management system there, which you can see good battery voltage there. We've got our onboard heater, which I showed you the remote for, but we can also do that on there. Control for our cool box. And we also have a clock on there as well. So as I said, extremely low mileage, 11,687 miles. That's 11,687 miles, extremely low mileage. It's been exceptionally well cared for, fantastic service history as well. So we've got a lovely infotainment system here as well. DAB radio, satellite navigation, media as well, where we can add in media devices via our auxiliary, hands-free phone calls. I'm just going to select reverse. We got in just in time. It's absolutely tipping it down now. So let's just show you that. Reverse camera there. We also have a visual display here and here for front and rear parking sensors. Heated front seats, air conditioning, the super smooth DSG gearbox. Electric folding mirrors as well that are heated. Yep, heated mirrors. Controls here for our hands-free. You may have also noticed a large AA flag there as well. That's because this vehicle comes with a 12-month free AA breakdown cover, as we're an approved AA dealer. So we have it. A fantastic low mileage Volkswagen California Ocean, the one to have, Euro 6, 150 horsepower, not forgetting that twin tone paint. We also have that Iridium grey upper and deep black lower. The paintwork, those Tallulah alloys, the chrome pack. We've got our LED lights, those headlight washers, half level with the Alcantara. We've got that detachable tow bar, genuine VW mud flaps, our safe, the Dyna Audio sound system. We literally have every single extra we can think of. So if you'd like to purchase this van or would like to book a viewing, as we view by appointments at all times, give us a call on 01460 312923. That's 01460 312923. I hope you've enjoyed watching our video, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks for watching.